Hello everyone, today is a special video for opening the DF64V single door screening machine with my new friend named
Jose Manuel.
Jose Manuel.
Yeah.
Manuel, Jose Manuel.
Okay, now let's opening unbox.
Sí.
First of all is the menu sheet, and again okay, 1, 2, 3.
好无聊啊，
Wow,
你
it's
们。
really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. We can see the small parts first, like this one. Do you know what's this?
For moisture in the coffee.
Yes.
Sí.
Yes, you really know. And this for the
For
cleaning.
cleaning.
And this, what's this? It's for what I can say. To put this.
Yeah, it's like the base.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Oh.
Yeah.
这个还有差异的，这个要拿开吗？
Here's what's this? Oh, the outlet.
Oh, the outlet, yeah.
你看这只狗呀，
Okay, that's the machine. Wow.
还有个东西。
它是开的一个小东西。
And it's really simple, like just other way around. It's like this magnet.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
clean it.
哇，inteligente。这是老陈的工作内容，就是一拿到新机现拆，
The
每
blur.
次都是
Yeah,
拆
the
完
blur.
把它照
Blur.
过去。
Blur. Oh, wow,
Beautiful。
it's really big, right? Like for
轴承怎么说
Coginete。
？Coginete.
cojinete.
Coginete。
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I understand how. I don't use that word, but okay. Wow, it's like it's really big, like
No, it's a 64 millimeter. The size. Wow. Yeah. And for this type, this machine, they use a different, a very unique coated material. The material name is DLC.
Okay.
DLC, but I don't know exactly what's that.
啊，行。
But they told me
我还要想一
the
个，
code
我们要在这里
the
注册
code
一个
DLC
这里的。
it's very what you can see helpful for grinding
Okay.
coffee bean. But I never tried because this is also my first time to open this machine. So we have to find out. But it look like very beautiful.
It is.
Because the single door grinding machine have a big problem is for the coffee bean pressure.
Yeah,
You know the coffee bean pressure.
like.
Like if you use this grinding machine, they have a big tank.
Oh, yeah.
To put the coffee bean.
Yeah.
So, yeah, have a pressure.
On the bean, yeah, that
Yeah.
is ground
Yeah.
grinding.
Yeah, but like this, we don't have put too much coffee bean. So
Okay.
they have used this to fix the coffee bean pressure pump.
Oh, okay,
To
yeah.
make sure the burr, the up burr and the under burr have exactly the flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Do you know what's this is?
This is a magnet.
Yeah, magnet, but the function.
Oh, it's not nothing like metal goes into the blur. Like
No, it's because the coffee bean will be like a pop.
pop. Okay.
Yeah. So it's an anti-pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Action。
Here, we can adjust the speed. The RPM
okay.
like this. It's from 600 RPM to 1004 maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, we can check out when we.
And
130.
And here's the power button.
it's really silent. Like,
像不像两个小男孩在玩游戏那种像？对对对。
要刀是吧？
so this will be like espresso.
See?
So here. My way to see.
Yeah.
And then it will be up here like filter, right?
So we can move. 45.
Yeah. That will be a bit coarse, right? Like
Yeah, we can try. We can try a little bit.
with
那个盖在这边的时候，
Oh, the first
so first
opening. See?
And check the size.
excuse me, I want to do this.
Of course you
I'm
can.
sorry.
Of course you can.
Yeah. I love it.
We can double check the. Yeah, it's
14.
50
Yeah.
short, 0.3.
Because of this.
Yeah, but it's okay. We'll clean later. Your turn.
your time。
看来他们的冲泡确实，
一个老师教的。Oh.
Bet you like coffee.
See?
Thank you. If you want a place to prepare coffee or anything, please come to. There's still a bubble.
See, it's fresh.
董哥，你在干嘛？
再拿一个杯子吗，老公？再给他一个杯子。
Se sale huelo diferente. Sí.
你跟他说，刚刚这一杯就比上一杯更巧克力和甜感足。
Esta vez se sale más sabor de chocolate y dulce.
Okay.